Great guys, this is kind of a different video. We're here with my man Luigi. Today we're gonna be fitting a MUNJI, what's the actual name? MUNJI what?
MUNJI lower control arm adjustment reinforced kit. So the kit will reinforce those two locking tabs, adjustment tabs for the camber and caster bolts on the lower control arm. The reason why I'm fitting those on mine is because they are bent. They bend, and basically all of them, they see there is a little bend in here and also on this side as well. And I've noticed that, you know, also the adjuster himself has got, the adjuster washer has got a gap between the tab, which makes me think could possibly deliver a few degrees of miscellaneous on my wheel alignment. Also,
so that can probably move like on this axis, right?
Can probably move, but also when you do the alignment, it's not accurate because they're not sitting all on the same spot where they should be, and probably can be difficult to do that. Going off road, you know, when you have a bit more load on your tires, they can actually keep bending out. I can go the easy way, straighten, put them back where they are, but it's very tiny. They welded on, so
they're gonna bend again, right?
They're gonna bend again. They can actually snap, and for me to straighten them up, I need to get the bolts out anyway. So I came across MUNJI. I do have a couple of products from MUNJI on my vehicle. I very like the company. They do a lot of testing, especially on the Max. And before release a product, I guarantee you it's been tested out from them. So I thought to give them a go of this little kit, and I'm just about to fit it on mine.
Awesome. So this is kind of a must for every D-Max owner. Is it the same with the MUX?
D-Max, MUX, and BT50.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. All right. Let's go. All right.
So it's actually, you know, I'm in the process of installing my e-locker as well. So there are a few things already out. But if you're only doing the reinforcement adjustment kit, you don't need to take all these out. All what you will need to be taken out basically will be your lower shock bolts. That you need to do this if you go aftermarket suspension or lift kit. If you're on a factory lift, you probably don't need to do that. You will have enough to play with. So basically what you do, you know, you need to jack your vehicle up, whatever, you know, I have hoist, or, you know, you jack the front up, put it on stand, do one side at a time, one bolt at a time. We're gonna loosen this side, the front side first, take it out. While you take it out, I'll give it a clean, put the kit, straighten the tabs, put the kit in, and I'm gonna move to the rear.
Beautiful.
The rear will be slightly different than the front because the rear, it's got a little cross member here, which it's also holding the diff. In saying that, you actually don't really need to remove the cross member. You need to loosen up. That is the cross member. It goes here, so you can simply loosen the 4 bolts here. They're 14 mils, so loosen up, and they will actually slide down enough for you to put the reinforcement bracket in it.
Nice.
So I got one side one side out already. I haven't loosened up this one yet, and the arm is actually still in place, still where it's supposed to be, so he hasn't moved. And that's the bolt. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's been actually marked in there. Yeah, with a bit of a wire wheel clean. Beautiful. This washer gets replaced with heavy duty one from MUNJI, so I won't need that anymore. And gonna do something to straighten up those tabs, which maybe this will help.
Let's see how soft they are.
That's already better. And I'm a tiny person, so I don't really have much strength. That's it. So it does require a little bit of a notch with a rubber mallet. And because, you know, it's got this locating pin, and as well the tabs they need to locate in here. Tabs being bended, probably they're not as factory will be, and the locating tab into the chassis could possibly not be fully precise and things. So
Yeah.
a little notch, it won't hurt.
That looks great.
Actually, I'll give it another notch. That's it.
So now you just slide a new bolt. Sorry, the bolt with the new washer.
Yeah, I wanna put the rear one in first now. Which is left front rear. So and all of them they're marked. So left hand side, front, rear. And that will be going on this side.
This section, yeah.
As well, this it needs a little bit of a notch. Yeah, this side was a bit more easier.
Beautiful.
And the bolt, you know, I cleaned the bolt while I got them off. I put some copper anti-seize in there. Let's see if this that moves. Look at that.
Nice.
So you must do a wheel alignment after this installment.
Yeah.
Installation, sorry. Installment.
Yeah, I would imagine that.
Yeah. I'm gonna try just to slightly do it with the ratchet by end. So you don't do this tight while the vehicle is in the air. You need to tie those bolts on the ground or a ride height. I'm just doing tight because I want to set the bracket in place, and then I'm backing them up loose again. I mean loose that they won't fall off, but they're not gonna be tight. They're not gonna be destroying the bush in there.
Nice.
And you can see the top how nicely it's following the lines.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. Thanks, MUNJI.
Beautiful.
Thanks, Gerard. So that was the front. Now I'm gonna smash the rear.
Other way around.
No. No. Let's spin the other side.
How's the bolt?
The bolt is not too bad, but it's dirty and it's full of shade. Maybe there is sand, a bit of a spin on the wire wheel. Clean the thread while you eat.
How does it look now?
What do you reckon?
Oh, brand new. Look at that. Are you sure you didn't buy a new one?
No, they can come with the kit.
All right, so now copper grease.
Anti-seize, yeah.
Anti-seize,
copper
yeah.
grease.
To keep everything lubricated.
And now will be That's the left. Yes, we're in Australia. It's the left. So you're gonna go left rear front or left rear rear. All right, so start with the front. Went straight in, straighten up the top properly, and look at that.
Beautiful.
I also want to say that I'm not sponsored from MUNJI. I just love their product, yeah. And I think they're great. And it's a great support, and they're nice people.
And you also have a MUNJI diff drop?
I do have a MUNJI diff drop, you can see it here. So let's see if this socket goes in.
Look at that.
Did you take one washer from my... Oh, yeah, sorry, I did. So we just finished to do...
That looks beautiful.
The passenger side will be exactly the same procedure to do the driver side, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like it's factory.
I would say better than factory, buddy.
Yes, correct.
Looks awesome, yeah.
This heavy duty washer fucking fits in there perfectly. It's touching everything what you should be touching. I'm pretty sure that you go off-road, it's not gonna get damaged by, I don't know, be it by a rock or a stone, or doing a river crossing, there is massive rock on it, that is nothing gonna happen in there. Fucking fantastic. Can't wait to do alignment tomorrow and see, because we still have into our system the specs of the final last alignment that I did on this vehicle. I couldn't really get it where I wanted, even though if I go up a control arms in there. And then I stopped playing because these were banned. So waiting for tomorrow to do that. Right, tomorrow we're taking day off, will be Monday.
All right, guys, so that was it. Hopefully there's some value for you, in the video. As Aaron always says, we really care about the community, and we just wanted to do a little instructions video to make everyone's life easier. So yeah, if you want more D-Max content, just let us know. I'm gonna take some photos now of all the new components on my camera, and I'm gonna post it on the website. So if you check the link down below, you should be able to see the link in our website if you want to order a set. Because we really want to work more with MUNJI. They are great people, as Luigi said, and that's the kind of people that we want to align with. Great quality in products and in people, so that's great. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot, and see ya in the next one.